This video is part of Florida's Technology and Learning Connection Project's Virtual Learning and U-Training. This is the Switch Skills Progression Series hosted by Dr. Danilyn Werkentine.
Welcome to Level 5A, 2 Objects. Now you'll remember in Level 5, this is the first time that we're introducing 2 switches. And the point of this level is just to help our student learn that each switch causes a different activity to occur. The left switch will activate an activity on the left. The right switch will activate an activity on the right. Think this or that. The focus at this level is on play. There is no correct answer. It's just building the skills to recognize the separate functions of the left and right switch. In this activity, we're going to be utilizing the app called Step Scanning that comes to us from Judylin Software. Now pay attention, because on this level, on this app, we're going to use it multiple times. We're going to use it in our Level 5 folder over and over again, but each time we're going to be utilizing a different level or a different lesson within it. So we're going to our Level 5 folder, I'm going to Step Scanning, and we're going to go to Lessons and Activities. Now for this one, 5A, we're going to use Lesson 2. You can see that each level progresses until there's a Lesson 8. So we'll want to make sure that you're on the correct lesson when we utilize this app repeatedly. When I activate the switch on the left, it causes an activity on the left side of the screen. If I activate the switch on the right, it leads to activity on the right side of the screen. If I do too many on the same side, and I'm only attending to one switch, that side will shut down, pointing me towards this other switch.
A sample goal for Level 5A might sound something like, the student can activate 2 switches that perform 2 separate activities, noting the effect of both switches on X out of 5 opportunities. This is an example of errorless learning. That wraps up this video for Level 5A, 2 Objects. Funding for this service is provided by the Bureau of Exceptional Student Education, Florida Department of Education. The inclusion of technologies in this library and/or described in this content should not be considered as an endorsement of any particular item or device. The instructional appropriateness of any of these technologies must be determined at the local level.